welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree shop with me and haul. I'm so excited about this one because I love Dollar Tree, I love shop with me's, I love hauls, and I love Halloween. Boxes all checked. Check, 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 check. Yes, please. The other awesome thing about this video is it's a collab. I'm hosting this collab because A, I love Halloween, but B, I've noticed from all the hauls that I watch from the Dollar Tree that everybody gets different stuff at their Dollar Tree. Even my 2 different Dollar Trees that I have totally different items. So I really wanted to host this collab to see what everybody else could find at their Dollar Tree that I may not be able to find. And maybe we should start like some sort of system where we send each other things, like a Dollar Tree pen pal system. I don't know, let me know. Anyway, there's a few other ladies that are involved in this collab, and I'm gonna have the playlist linked to all of their videos, plus all of their channels linked below in my description box. So once you're done checking out this video, definitely head over to that playlist and check out all the other videos. Comment on their videos, like them, and let them know that I sent you. I'm so excited to be doing this, and I can't wait to see what they come up with and give more inspiration for my Dollar Tree obsession. Yeah, I'm kind of obsessed with Dollar Tree, and I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but we're here, so let's roll with it. If you're coming over from one of the other ladies' channels, hi and welcome. My name is Hope, and around here we make all sorts of videos. I make cleaning videos, cooking videos, motivational videos. I have another channel for tarot videos if you like that too. We keep it real around here. I show you real messes and I show you real life. So if you're into that, then subscribe. If you're not, stick around, watch this video, and hopefully you'll find something from Dollar Tree for Halloween that you like. Okay, now that we've got all that out of the way, let's get shopping. I actually ended up going to 2 different Dollar Trees. The first one is my big Dollar Tree, and they were a mess. They had all their boxes out and they didn't have anything really out yet, so I wasn't able to get a lot of footage there. And the footage I did get, it was basically the same stuff that they had at my other Dollar Tree. So what you're gonna see is the footage from my small Dollar Tree. However, I did hit up 2 different Dollar Trees and I picked up some items that you'll have to stay tuned to the end for to see that I did get at the big Dollar Tree that I didn't see anywhere else. So let's go shopping. My Dollar Tree had some pretty good items this year, and the big one had some really great items. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the footage of the big Dollar Tree just because there was stuff in boxes and I sort of had to rummage through. So it was a little bit harder to get that footage for you guys. But without further ado, let me show you what I picked up. So I'm going to show you a few things that I have right here, and then to give you the best effect on how you can style your Dollar Tree items, I'm going to show you a few spots in my house that are already decorated so that you can see what they look like. Okay, so the very first thing that I want to show you that I picked up are a couple of their signs. And I'm a huge fan of the Dollar Tree signs just because I think that they're so cute. So the first one says, "Join our Black Hats Society." And it says, "Inquire within." And I just think that that is so cute. I'm a tarot reader, and so I love Halloween. And I just think that this is cute all year long. The next one I got, my husband really liked, and it says, "Home of a spooky witch, one handsome devil, and their and their ghoulish goblins." Oh, that was so cute. All right, the next thing that I picked up is actually for a DIY, and I have a couple things in here for DIY. So you'll have to stay tuned for next week's video to see one of the DIYs I do. But this is for a DIY that I haven't quite gotten all the pieces for yet, and I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do, but I know that I'm gonna use them for something. So they are actually wall clings or wall decals, but I just thought they were really cute. Okay, the next thing I picked up is for downstairs, and it's a dish towel, but I just could not say no. It says, "Black cats and witches' hats, beware of flying brooms, happy Halloween." And it's not a great quality towel. I mean, I don't even think it's probably gonna absorb water off of your hands, honestly. But for $1, I thought it would be cute just to put on the oven and have it just be with the other towels. And so I just thought it would be a cute piece. And I probably won't even have anybody use it. I'll probably just use it as a decoration so that I have to minimally wash it, because that's probably what's gonna kill this towel. But they're so cute. Now, if you do wanna get dish towels from the Dollar Tree, their flour sack ones, I think is what they're called, are really good because they're just cotton. But this thing is thin, and I don't know, but it was so cute, so I had to get it. Yeah. Anyone else guilty of that? So they have really cute skulls this year, and this is one of the skulls that they had, and he's kind of like a oil slick color, if that makes sense. He's really iridescent, but he's a gray black, and I just thought he was so cute. I just adore him. So I've actually had him sitting on my stuff. You can see behind me, this is actually my working space for my tarot readings, and I always have it set up like Halloween. I know. For me, it's normal. But I got a couple things back there I'm going to show you too that I picked up from the Dollar Tree recently, and when I went back, they weren't there. So I actually picked these items up before any of the Halloween stuff even came out. This was the first thing I saw, and I picked them up, and I haven't seen them since. So you won't see them. That's why you didn't see them in the shop with me footage, but I love them. So now that you've seen what I have sitting in front of me, let me show you some of the pieces that I haven't shown you yet and how I've decorated them around the house. These are my favorite pieces that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, which is why I could not wait, and I already decorated them, and I don't have them sitting in front of me. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna show you are these cute little skulls. These little books that I have behind me, they look like books. They say spell casting. I'm gonna get this one down and show you. So these come in different sizes, and they had different sayings on them. And this says spells, potions, and creepy concoctions. And when you open it, it's a box. Are they not like the cutest? So these I picked up way before Halloween came out, and they were just getting them stocked onto my small Dollar Tree, actually. I didn't even see them at my big Dollar Tree, but like I said, a lot of the stuff was in boxes, so that might have been why. But I have them just sitting back here all the time, and I picked up a big spell casting. I have a small spell casting. I have one of these little potions and one that says poison. So I have 4 of them, and I have them always behind me on my little working table. I just think they're so cute. In the small ones, I've got over here some of my tarot cards that I just picked up and I'm sort of still learning, and because every deck is different and sort of still figuring out. And then in some of the other things, I have candles and incense and things like that. So they're really cute, and if you're somebody like me who likes to have Halloween decor out all year long, then I would definitely try to pick some of those up. Okay, let me show you my other little area that I'm just in love with. Thank you guys so much for staying to the end of this video. I'm super excited to have you all here. If you're coming over from one of the other ladies' channels, hi, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope that you think about subscribing and checking out some of my other videos. Next week, I will have a Dollar Tree DIY, and I will be making those sunflower skulls, so you don't want to miss that. They're great for parties, and they're also just great decor, but they're really cute to give out to people too. Maybe for like a class party, they're super cute if you're kind of into that. Am I the only one that's into that? I don't know. Anyway, you guys, I will see you next Tuesday. Remember, I have videos that come out on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I've upped my schedule, so I used to just have Thursday videos, but now I'm going to be giving you guys Tuesday videos as well. So definitely leave comments below on other things that you like to see, because at the moment I'm just making videos that I like to watch, and I'm hoping that y'all like to watch them too. I hope that you guys stay around, and I will see you next week. Bye, guys.